How to use Avvo legal directory properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Many people assume finding a lawyer on Avvo is as simple as picking the first name that appears, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to hiring the wrong attorney or wasting time and money. The first mistake is relying solely on ratings. Avvo scores attorneys, but beginners who focus only on numbers may overlook experience, specialization, or client compatibility. Read profiles, reviews, and case history carefully. Another common error is ignoring the attorney's area of practice. Avvo lists lawyers in many fields from family law to corporate law, and selecting someone outside your specific need can lead to poor results. Always filter by specialization. Many users fail to check availability or location. Hiring an attorney far away or with a full schedule can delay your case. Confirm the lawyer's office, online options, and response times. Neglecting consultation is another pitfall. Beginners often skip initial meetings or free consultations, which are critical for assessing fit, fees, and communication style. Schedule a conversation before committing. Finally, some assume online reviews tell the full story. While useful, reviews can be subjective or incomplete. Cross-reference credentials, disciplinary records, and experience to make an informed choice. To use Avvo properly, check specialization, read reviews thoughtfully, confirm location and availability, schedule consultations, and verify credentials. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll find the right lawyer efficiently, saving time, money, and stress.